welcome back to a new video. Today is Sunday.
Fun day.
Exactly. I feel very often on a Sunday we're kind of craving like a pizza.
Yes.
Or like
burger.
a burger.
But plant-based.
Or But we thought it would be fun to make a healthy, delicious version of a cauliflower pizza.
Yes.
This has been really popular. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys how to do this. It's gonna be delicious. So we'll show you guys some of the ingredients we have.
Perfect. So the ingredients that we're gonna use just for the pizza crust is very simple. You're just gonna need like a full cauliflower head, about 2 eggs, half a cup of Parmesan or any kind of cheese that you would like. Then we're gonna add some Za'star spice inside, which is delicious, and some salt.
And for the base, we're going to use some leftover Shakshuka base. If you don't have a Shakshuka base, you can also make like a tomato base or just buy
like a marinara sauce.
Buy a pizza marinade sauce.
After the Shakshuka topping, what we're gonna add is some eggplant. So we're just gonna saute some eggplants, then toss some olives, some capers, and some herbs, and that's about it. I mean, we don't need anything else.
Yeah. Okay guys, step number 1 is going to be the cauliflower base. This is going to be the crust, and for that we're going to start with steaming the cauliflower in our bamboo, and in the meanwhile we will also saute some of the eggplants. That will be one of the toppings, and then after we can put everything together. Steamed cauliflower, and here we have our sautéed eggplant. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use this food processor and we are going to make cauliflower base in there.
Okay. This is the consistency you're looking for. We're gonna put it aside in a bowl, and then we're gonna squeeze out the excess water.
Okay, amazing. For cauliflower is a puree.
Exactly. So while I remove the excess water, can you beat the 2 eggs, please?
Yes. So you need to get the water out of the cauliflower, otherwise you're not gonna get a crispy crust. It's gonna be really like soggy. You can actually be very flexible with the spices in here. If you want to get more like Italian, you go for like oregano and like
yeah.
Okay. Mixing this. I experiment more in the weekends also because I have like more time to like try out new recipes.
We both have busy
We have a little bit. There we go.
But it's actually like, it's very easy to make the
yeah.
as well, huh? Okay, so.
Okay, we're going to add these. Ta-da! 1 pizza crust. So more or less with 1 cauliflower head you can make about 2 pizzas, but obviously it really depends how big your cauliflower is. Perfect.
So it's gonna go into a 200-degree oven Celsius or 400-degree.
So make sure you're gonna preheat that. And the cauliflower crust is done. Ta-da! I have some
Cauliflower pizza.
fresh cauliflower crust. There we go. Okay, now it's time for our favorite part because we are going to do the toppings.
Yeah. So what did we choose today?
We got our homemade Shakshuka sauce. So guys, this is our final pizza. It was so easy to make. You just need to prep the cauliflower and like steam it in advance, but this is so healthy, very like light and clean. Obviously it depends what kind of toppings you do, but really delicious.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today Sunday fun day video. Don't forget to follow Gabrielle on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me as well. And if you're making the cauliflower pizza, then don't forget to tag us in your pictures. And yeah, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys.